Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create realistic motion in Hailuo AI. First, open Hailuo AI and go to the video generation section. You can use text to video or image to video, depending on the type of content you want to create. When writing your prompt, focus on natural movement. Describe what the subject should do and how the movement should happen. For example, instead of simply writing a person running, you can write a person running naturally through a park, realistic body movement, natural arm and leg motion, gentle wind. And smooth camera tracking. Keep the actions simple and realistic. Small movements such as walking, turning, looking around, or moving naturally with the environment can often produce better results. You can also describe environmental motion. For example, mention leaves moving in the wind, water flowing naturally, or clothing gently moving while the subject walks. Next, add a simple camera instruction if needed. A slow tracking shot or gentle camera movement can make the scene feel more realistic. Now generate the video and wait for Hailuo AI to finish.